First of all, I would like to discuss your query, your doubt. Clear? Then I will move to my lecture. Okay. So this is the question like which you have asked. Is my screen visible to you properly?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Now in this question, like this is actually not that much tough question, but things may needs to be clear. Look at here. So you have learned like what is Ohm's law? V proportional to I. Clear? If you remove the proportionality sign, you will get one constant, that is I into R. So R is what? V by I. Clear? If you
V
draw
by
V
I.
proportional to I, means that the graph will be linear like this. V versus I graph. Clear? And this ratio, if you take any 2 points, if you find this is the slope tan theta perpendicular by base, this is V voltage. Clear? And this is current. So voltage by current will tell the what? Resistance. Clear?
Slope of the graph.
Yes,
Graph
simple
is the
slope of the curve. And slope means the inclination with x-axis. More the inclination, more the slope. Meaning is that. Clear? But if you look at carefully, if I write here, r is tan theta is equal to what? V by I is equal to r. Okay. If you do the reciprocal of this, what I'm saying that if you do reciprocal means that if I say, can I say like this? Can I write like this? R is equal to 1 upon I by B. Can I say? Or can I write like this? If I write like this, is it correct? If I write I, this term I by B, then this is, we can write like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, could you please tell me what is the value of I by V? It will be 1 upon tan theta. Clear? 1 upon tan theta. So, in which case, tan theta is what? Slope of V versus I. Clear? What I'm saying, just look at, if you understand this way, no problem. I have more ways to explain this. See, if you take the reciprocal of this, 1 upon tan theta is equal to 1 upon r will be what? I by V. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Now tan theta is what? Slope of V versus I. And 1 upon tan theta is what? Slope of, it is cot theta. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this cot theta is what actually it is? I by V. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now check in which case this cot theta is more. Cot theta is basically the slope of I versus V graph. Here slope is more,
So
or
answer will
where?
be option D.
Which option? What is the right answer?
Option D.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Is this answer given in your answer book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood? Simple. I
Yes,
just
sir.
do the
Understood.
1 upon tan theta. I just did. Then 1 upon tan theta is what? Cot theta. Which is what? Reciprocal of V versus I. But here graph is I versus V. On y-axis they have given current. On x-axis they have given voltage. That's why
Okay.
I'm using this approach. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Is it okay? Clear.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, I will share this doubt is clear to you. I will share one more meeting link to you.
Yes, sir.
Clear? From join from there for our today's lecture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm sharing one more meeting link. Please join.